Imagine this. You walk into a room full of strangers and within seconds people are drawn to you. Not because of what you say, but because of how you make them feel. What if I told you there are simple psychology hacks that can instantly boost your likability and influence? No gimmicks, no fake tricks. Just science-backed methods anyone can use. In this video, I'm going to share 5 powerful secrets that will change the way people see you. Starting today. Stick around because these aren't your average tips. They're game changers. Trick number 1, mirror their body language. All right, first up, mirroring. This is one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to build instant trust. It's all about subtly matching the other person's body language. Their posture, gestures, even their tone. Why does this work? Our brains are wired to trust people who seem like one of us. When you naturally lean in as they do or nod along when they nod, you create an unspoken bond. But here's the catch. Don't turn into a copycat robot. If they cross their arms, you can lightly do the same, but keep it casual and relaxed. It's about creating a vibe, not a mirror image. One time, I was chatting at a networking event and the other person kept nervously tapping their foot. So, I gently tapped mine too. It made them relax and open up. It's like saying, "Hey, I get you." Try this at your next meetup. It's like a silent handshake your brain loves. Trick number 2, use their name. Next, let's talk about the magic of using someone's name. Our names are basically music to our ears because they make us feel seen and valued. Sprinkle their name naturally throughout your conversation. At the start, in the middle, and at the end. For example, instead of saying, "Great idea," say, "Great idea, Sarah." It instantly feels warmer and more personal, but don't overdo it. If you say their name too much, it sounds fake or awkward. Just a little sprinkle makes a big difference. This trick works everywhere. Networking, dates, job interviews, anywhere you want to build a real connection. Trick number 3, the power of pausing. Now, here's a secret that most people overlook, the power of the pause. When you pause before you speak, it's like pressing a slow motion button on your words. It shows confidence, makes you seem calm, and gives your message more weight. Think about when you're talking to someone who rushes. It feels nervous or unsure, right? But when you pause just a second before responding, you show you're thoughtful and in control. I remember a friend who used this in interviews. He'd pause before answering, and interviewers always said he seemed composed and confident. Try it now. Even a brief pause before responding can totally change how people see you. Trick number 4, ask genuine questions. Let's move on to trick number 4, asking genuine questions. People love talking about themselves, but here's the key. It's not just about asking any question. It's about asking real questions that show you care. Skip the boring stuff like, "How are you?" or "What do you do?" Instead, try questions like, "What's the most exciting thing you've done recently?" or "What's a passion of yours that not many people know about?" These kinds of questions spark deeper conversations and make people feel truly seen and appreciated. Next time you chat, try this. It instantly makes you more interesting and likable. If you're finding these tricks useful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. I've got tons more psychology hacks coming your way that you won't want to miss. Trick number 5, smile with your eyes. Last but definitely not least, smile with your eyes. Not just any smile, I'm talking about a genuine, warm smile called a Duchenne smile. It's when your eyes crinkle at the corners and your whole face lights up. People can spot a fake smile a mile away, but when your eyes sparkle, it builds instant trust and warmth. Practice in the mirror. Smile and gently crinkle your eyes. When you do this during conversations, people feel like you really care and are happy to be there. It's a subtle trick that makes a huge impact. Final message, call to action. So, to recap quickly, mirror their body language, use their name, pause before you speak, ask genuine questions, and smile with your eyes. Start practicing these psychology tricks today, and watch how you'll effortlessly impress and connect with people like never before. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe if you haven't yet, and tell me in the comments which trick you're excited to try first. Thanks so much for watching. Can't wait to see you in the next one.